Bats are specialists in vocalizing, and they have adapted their call forms according to their size and flight shape. So basically, we distinguish between constant and modulated forms, like frequency-modulated calls which start at high frequencies and end low. Constant frequency calls which have a sharp rise or fall only at the beginning or end, and almost constant frequencies. So we categorize into these main call forms according to which the echolocation calls can be roughly classified. With additional information about call length, call spacing, and the exact frequency range they lie in, we can then determine the respective species. Most of the time, at least, unless a bat speaks a yet unknown dialect. However, as with humans, you don't want to spend all your time just looking up in the air, but you might also get hungry at some point. And bats are excellent predators, and that one can also see in their calls. For example, when a bat targets its insect prey, it emits pulses of sound that get closer and closer together, producing what is known as a feeding buzz. In sonograms of bats calling, it is easy to see that they first use the echolocation mechanism and then continuously emit shorter duration sequences just before catching their prey. Besides echolocation calls and feeding buzzes, bats also emit interspecific communication sounds, which are called social calls, and through which we can learn a lot about the social behavior of these animals. And in fact, bats are highly social animals. Not only can they tell if another species of bat is nearby, but they also respond to individual names, communicate with their offspring, form communities, help each other in isolated or dangerous situations, point out hunting groups, and divide prey among themselves.